Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove a device from Amazon Prime Video. This is especially useful if you've signed in on a friend's device, sold an old gadget, or simply want to manage which devices have access to your account. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, sign into your account. After logging in, look toward the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled All with 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up Amazon's main menu where you can navigate to different sections of the site. From the menu that appears, locate and click on Prime Video. This will take you to the Prime Video homepage. Now, you'll need to click on Prime Video once more to access the full range of options available for your streaming account. This second click ensures you're in the right place to manage your account settings. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile avatar there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This section is where you can control various aspects of your Prime Video experience, including the devices connected to your account. Once you're in Account and Settings, look at the top menu and click on the Devices tab. This is where Amazon shows you a list of all the devices that are currently signed into your Prime Video account. Although I don't have any devices or other devices connected to my account right now, I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do when you have devices listed. Scroll through the devices list and take a moment to locate the specific device you want to remove. It could be an old phone, a smart TV you no longer use, or perhaps a device you logged into temporarily and forgot about. Once you've found the device, you'll notice a Sign Out button next to it. Click that button. This action will prompt a confirmation window to appear, which is Amazon's way of making sure you really want to remove the device. In the confirmation window, click Sign Out again to finalize your decision. The device will immediately be signed out of your Prime Video account and removed from your devices list. This means the device will no longer have access to stream content using your account, helping you maintain better security and control over who can use your Prime Video subscription. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a device from your Amazon Prime Video account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.